I decided to show you guys how I curl my lashes with the spoon, and I will be talking about why I use my spoon, because I do have a lot of questions on why I use a spoon instead of an eyelash curler. I'll show you the difference between the eyelash curler and the spoon. I just wanted to make a specific video on the spoon and the eyelash curler. So I hope you guys find this video interesting. So let's start. This is the spoon that you normally see on my makeup tutorials. I curl my lashes with this particular spoon. There's no difference between a teaspoon and this one curling your eyelashes. I mean, this is completely round as opposed to a teaspoon. Spoons are oval. This spoon belonged to my grandma. She had this black one and she had another one in white. I stole this one from her. She used to curl her lashes using a spoon instead of an eyelash curler. She thought it was a lot better. I just decided to pick this spoon because, you know, it's a different type of spoon compared to any spoon. So if you don't have this kind of spoon, which I doubt it, use a normal spoon. I'm not going to use this spoon on the video. I will be using this spoon because I want to show you guys that you can actually curl your lashes with any spoon. I also saw my aunt curling her lashes with a spoon, and I also asked her why would she use a spoon over an eyelash curler, and a lot of people are afraid of the eyelash curler as it can tend to pull out your lashes, which I've experienced in my teenage years. I think the cushion on the eyelash curler was already so wasted that I overused it, and when that doesn't hit the cushion and it hits the metal, it will chop off your eyelashes. Yes, that happened to me. I didn't know how to use false lashes. I didn't buy any false lashes back then. I just ended up putting eyeliner so that you couldn't see that I was missing some lashes there. Even after that, I still used the eyelash curler, but I just make sure that the cushion was like still new. This one is by Tweezerman. I didn't really feel like my eyelashes were being curled with this. I leaned over towards the spoon because I believe that my lashes curled a lot better. They look more natural as opposed to an eyelash curler. The eyelash curler, as I mentioned in my makeup tutorial, the eyelash curler just lifts up your eyelash instead of curving it like naturally. So I am gonna zoom in and show you guys how I curl the lash, but first of all I want to show you how to hold the spoon. So you have the head of the spoon like this in your hand. The part away from the palm of your hand is the part that we're gonna use to curl the lashes. Once you hold it like this, you want to make sure you can move up and down. Say your lashes are like this. You're gonna rub the spoon on the lash, use this as a base, and then it will curl the lash up because of the spoon. So we're gonna start from the outer corner to the inner corner. Like I said, the part away from your palm is gonna go on your lash. We are gonna start from the root of the lash. You don't wanna pull the lash, you just wanna slide the spoon on the lash from root to the tip of the lash, kind of as if like you're curling a ribbon, kind of like that. So you want to do that, and you can already see a little bit of curl. I don't know if you guys can catch it in camera, but you want to start really close to the lashes because otherwise there's going to be a space and then you're not going to really lift them up. Do you guys see already? It's lifting them up. And as you curl the lashes, you want to keep moving towards the inner corner. And you can go over them as much as you need to or as much as you want to. You can already see that they're lifted. So for the outer and inner corner, you want to use a tip. It's the same concept. And you're not pulling your eyelash. But there you go, you guys see that? This is with the spoon, and this is my natural lash. This is why I do it, because they look very, very natural. And now I'm going to show you the other side with a lash curler. Okay? A lot of people are scared, like I said, putting something like this on your eye. You can see the lashes here at the top. They're not curling up. It didn't even curl my lash. So you guys can see, I'm not joking. So. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not really doing anything. It's kind of like pushing up the edges, so the inner and outer corner of my eyelash, but the middle part is just staying the same. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna see if I have another of these little guys. So we're gonna give it another shot. Okay, I got a different cushion in. Let's do this eye again. All you have to do is press on the lash curler. Let's see. It's still doing the same thing. So no, it's not helping. Now you guys see why I use the spoon. I'm just gonna curl it with the spoon and show you guys the other side of the eye. The same way, it's always gonna be the side that's away from the palm of your hand. And then once you get again to the inner corner, you want to change to the tip. Alright, there we go, guys. And now all you have to do is apply some mascara. Whichever mascara is your favorite. I'm using the Kiss New York Professional Dead Sexy Lashes mascara. I prefer the spoon for this reason. I mean, I always use false lashes on top. They curve along with your false lashes. Okay, so that is how I curl my lashes. You can actually use the spoon to give more volume to your false lashes. So I have a pair here. It still has volume, but if you wanted to lift it up or your eyelash lost its volume, do the same thing. You'll be lifting it up more. Oops. You can already see this side higher than the inner part. So it's just to bring a little bit more of life to the lash in case you washed it and lost its volume. Alright guys, so this completes this video. I hope you guys liked it and found it helpful. So if you liked this video, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and which method do you prefer. I also wanted to mention to you guys, I haven't had internet at home nor data on my phone, so I've been disconnected from social media. I am still trying to keep my videos coming in, so if I miss out on a week, I'll try to let you guys know on social media. But if I can't, I am so sorry. I am working really hard to not miss a video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys to my next video. Bye! See you guys to my next. Whoa. It's too close. So, no, it's too far.